Hi, hello, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Anya Habita. Today we are taking this out. It looks crazy because I didn't tie my hair up last night because I knew I was taking it out this morning, so I was just like, you know what, do you, boo. So before we get into it, as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to set the bell notification to always so you don't miss when I upload. Alright, so to take this out, this lovely hair out, I'm going to, of course, unwrap the top. But then for the back, our secret weapon on this glue that everybody is always so worried about. Oh my God, glue takes your hair out. No sis, you take your hair out because you get impatient and you just rip it. What you need is this. Suave. Just kidding, suave. But you need this, and you need a big old bottle of it. I got the family size. You need the family size, sis, because you need a lot. And you're just gonna drench the tracks. And they're just gonna slide right on out. It's gonna be a slip and slide. Thanks to Suave. Alright, let's do it. Top part is out. My hair is so freaking dirty. All that gel. Sis, got to wash this ASAP, no Rocky. So yeah. Also, speaking of ASAP Rocky, I'm doing a pop culture pop off on the whole situation. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that. Alright, so let's get to the bake. To the bike. Like I said, suave, suave, Maria. Mariah Carey could never. Alright, so I hope y'all can see this. On the track, not the hair. You're taking the hair out. You don't need to deep condition the hair to take it out. This was $25 beauty supply store pack hair. So we're not saving it. We're not reusing it. She's trash. It's going in the big bin. So from there, rub it. And then woo, she is tangled, sis. She is tangled, and I don't got time. I'm just taking this, clipping it to the bun up top so that we can get to that second layer. Got the family size just for this. This hair is playing with me, like I'm not just gonna cut it out. Again, take it, clip it to the top. Let's speed this on up. Just going around and getting them edges. Making sure. Woo! This hoodie is going right. Oh, this is kind of cute, hey? What? A look, a mood, a vibe. Yes, queen. All right, now. Just gonna let this, like, I really like this hairstyle. Of course, gotta close. And this is cute. Okay, all right. Say don't want me to be great. That's fine. But we're gonna leave the hair conditioner on for. It's already starting to come loose. I would say this needs to sit. I'm gonna let it sit for an hour just because I really want it to slide. Like, slide, honey, you know? Electric. Boogie, woogie, woogie. Slide out. I don't want it to pull my hair at all. Now, if you watched me install this, you know I have two wig caps on under, like, in between the layer of my hair and the tracks, but still, wow, this is already really starting to come out. An hour may be a bit much. Okay, we'll see. I'll update y'all on the time when I come back. But yeah, wow, this is already starting to come on out. Yes, Suave, you better work, girl. Okay, I'm back. It's been exactly an hour. I set my timer on my phone so that it will come back in exactly 60 minutes. And this hair is already like slipping out. So because I did the wig cap method, the wig cap is able to just pull up. And I was not expecting that, but it's just. And that's that. That is that. It just completely pulled off. No damage, no ripping, just gone. And as you can see, This is all of the hair. Glued it in. G-O-N-E, gone. Now I'm just gonna take my hair down, wash it, condition it, blow dry it, and I'm gonna give it a break. Ooh, Jesus. I'm gonna give my hair a break today and just leave it down after I wash it, not do anything to it. But make sure you subscribe to my channel because I am going to be doing a sleek ponytail tomorrow. That video will be uploaded. This video will be uploaded today, which is Friday. So my hair video will be up Sunday. My next hair video will be up Sunday. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell, set it to always so you don't miss when I upload, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, comments, concerns. As always, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I love y'all. I'll see y'all next time.